So pretty much in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to screen record with audio. First things first, you want to go to settings, which I just clicked on, and then you want to go to control center. And you want to click customize controls. And then the only thing you need selected for this specific thing is the screen recording icon. So when you want to screen record something, I'm going fast so I can get straight to the point for you guys. You swipe this down, and then this little button right here, screen record, you press that. Oh, no. Sorry. I'm trying to show you guys how to do the microphone. So you hold this down, and then it says microphone. If it's not recording what you're talking, it's off. But when you want it to record what you're talking, you gotta turn it on. Wait. Gotta turn it on. I don't know if that registered. Finally it did. And so you can just screen record. So I'm talking right now, my microphone's plugged in. I'm just talking. So after I will go to my photos and I will show you guys that this worked. Alright. So now I will go to my photos and show you guys it worked. Sorry for my photos. Alright, so here it is. So after I'll show you guys that this worked. Alright. So I'm talking right now. So like right now, I'm stuck. So it does work. So I'm not connected to Wi-Fi, so I can't do like go on the internet right now, but it does work. This button right here shows that you're recording. That's how you know you're recording. And then if you have the microphone on, and I had my microphone plugged in, so it should be all good, and you should be good to go. So that is how you screen record with audio. Catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy.